Hey everyone, welcome to another Usual Suspect video. Today's ride, something a little bit different. I woke up this morning with a bit of a hankering for something different. Something that I've not got but I've had before. Lime and gin marmalade. Absolutely unbelievable stuff. But I only know one place that sells it. So today I'm going in search of lime and gin marmalade to spread on some really thick hand-cut toast. And I'm going to really enjoy that. While I'm at it, I'm going to go and check out somewhere pretty cool. The locals call it the golf balls, and it's up on a place called Menwith Hill. I know, again, sounds a bit strange, but it's actually, I believe, a listening station for the US and UK governments. Not so secret spy installation, if you like. So that's what I'm doing today. Let's enjoy the ride. So my journey today is going to take me from Southport out into Lancashire, across Lancashire into Yorkshire. I'm going to be heading to a place called Keelan, which is Keelan Farm Shop, which is a big farm shop that's at Craven in Yorkshire, and pick up valuable supplies there, i.e. my lime gin tonic marmalade. And then I'm going to head off from there over towards Blubber Houses in search of the golf balls on Menwith Hill, which is, from what I believe, is supposed to be a US military installation for listening to communications chatter in the Middle East and other places. It's very cool to see. Moreover, it's a great ride. Just come off the end of the M65 at Colne, as some of the other footage might show. Just going to take the road to Craven now. Much better roads. Not been out for a decent ride in quite a while. The whole winter lockdown thing. Foul Ridge Reservoir, there's a mouthful.
Just over there is the Keelan Farm shop, home of the Holy Grail, the gin and tonic and lime marmalade. And I'm sure I'll stop there on the way back. Well, I'll absolutely have to. But I think for now I'm going to go in search of the golf balls on Menwith Hill. And that to me looks like a speed trap at the top of the hill that would have caught me not doing 50. Oh well, it is what it is. And there you got it, the golf balls on Menwith Hill. Christ, imagine living there next to that. Much cooler than I would have liked out here. Had a really nice ride. Just over there on the hill, we've got the golf balls on Menwith Hill, the military installation. Don't know much about it, gotta be honest. I just thought it'd be a nice ride. It's been quite an eventful ride. Possibly got nicked for speeding by a speed trap just up the road, which I'm going to go past again on the way back. I'm going to stop off and get my marmalade, and then I'm going to make my way back.
Soon after.
There it is, nectar of the gods.
Bish, bash, bosh. Now that's what I'm talking about.